The setup is for pipe friction in pipe fittings. It consists of a T, a bend, a wall, sudden expansion, sudden contraction, and a gate wall, and a ball wall and the gate wall. These are the pressure points provided to just calculate the pressure difference while this water is or fluid, any fluid is entering at this level, what is the pressure head, and exit at this level, what is the pressure head. These two will go to the manometer provided. We have provided a manometer so that readings can easily, pressure head can easily be calculated. We will take the example for this particular section, and all other sections will be the same as the following demonstration. That means there is a bypass wall, there is a spear wall. This will use to control the flow. We will connect two tubes, this tube like this into this two pressure points. This will go to the manometer's first reading, and this will go to the manometer's second reading. Those two will give you pressure heads. Okay. After that, if you want to control the flow of walls or the flow of the fluid through this pipe, we will control it through this and take the readings over there, and flow will be controlled by this. We will take 3 readings. Discharge will be calculated from the same height apparatus. That means 5 centimeter height. As we close the wall, height will be 5 centimeter, and time taken to fill that 5 centimeters. That means length into breadth into height. That will give you the discharge divided by time. This will give you discharge, and that completes our experiment. Thank you.